Happy Saturday, everyone. My name is Jeff. I'll be the spokesman for the next, say, 8 to 10 minutes if it goes that long. I'm from theboxman.com, where we've changed the way that you should watch TV. And in this video, we're going to take a quick look at the best application or task killer to eliminate buffering forever. Okay, guys, I am back. As I said before, thanks to Troy Point, who sends out, since I'm an insider with Troy Point, I get a lot of great information about different things when it comes to the genre of streaming. And one of our own, Tech Doc, has created a task killer app that's found in the Amazon App Store by using Downloader. It's also found in the Google Play Store, which I'll show you in a moment. And it does cost a little bit, like $1.99. Now, I wouldn't have cared if it was $30. Tech Doc is one of the most knowledgeable people, I should say knowledgeable people that I know and have come in contact around streaming, entertainment, devices, even back in the day with Kodi. When Kodi was, and by the way, still is one of the best applications for different entertainment. But I just like the fact that he created a task killer, because if you don't get rid of applications running in the background, it's going to hinder streaming. It wouldn't matter on whatever device it's on. It wouldn't matter if it's an iPhone, a Android phone, an Android tablet, Apple, whatever it might be. If you have different things running in the background, normally on Android, it hinders the performance of that device. Case in point, a Fire Stick. If you have a Fire Stick and you have tons of applications running in the background, it's going to hinder it. So let's go ahead and show you what I mean, and we'll take a look at it in a moment. So I'm going to go to the Google Play Store. And then I'm going to just go here and I'm going to type in TDuck. There it is. App killer. My next video will be about the cache cleaner, which is amazing. So I do have this app from the Google Play Store. It says right here, background apps can slow down your device and hog memory. Use TDuck App Killer to close all your background apps with one click. Ensure you have USB TCP debugging have it activated to use the app. So there's a custom whitelist. It's a really good app. So let me show you what I mean. I did purchase it today. Here's some screenshots here. You'll see at the top where it says you have to connect. Make sure that ADB debugging or debugging in the developer options on the device are open. So let me go ahead and open the application. And you can see where it says connect to this device via ADB. So let me do that first. I'm going to go right here, hit the home button, and I'm going to go to my settings at the top here. And then I'm going to go down to device preferences, and then I'm going to go to developer options. Let me see here, which are right here. And then you can see right here, USB debugging is on. So debug, I got to make sure that this is on. So debug mode when used, when USB is connected. So I am connected. So let me go ahead and go back to this app and let's connect that way. So let's connect right now. So it says that I'm connected. You see, I had to go before to turn it on, and then it always remembers the device that you're on. So I just moved this to where I make my videos. So now I'm connected. So one of the things I love about it is you can set up a whitelist, which I already did. It's going to pull up all the applications on my device. As you can see, I left background apps and processes list. That's what I used to use. I left Blockada on, which is my VPN. And I left the app killer on. Okay, I left those two on. Now, if I want to force stop anything, I want to see how many are running in the background. So you highlight this, count total running background apps. I have 14 apps that are running. So to prove that, I'm going to go back. I should have did this earlier, and I'm going to go to the background app right here, what I used to use. I left it on for this purpose. It's going to show the ones that are open in the background. I'll open all of these so you can see them in the video. There are 14 user apps open in the background. If I leave these applications open, they are pulling and taking away from the experience or your streaming experience. So let's close these right now by using the killer. And it's $1.99. Come on now. So now I'm going to go ahead and see the total now. You see 14. Let's force stop all those. And 12 out of the 14 were killed. So let's go back and see which one of the 12 or out of the 14 or the 2 out of the 14 were open, just to see the accuracy. There it is. I left Blockada on, which is my VPN, and I left the app killer. One click takes that away. I think we should support TDuck or TechDoc for $1.99. I mean, I think it's absolutely worth it. That's not a month. That's one time. It's not a monthly thing. So that is amazing. If it doesn't work or it goes away, you can always go back to the back. There's all kinds of apps that you can go back to, like this one here, background apps and process list. That's in the Google Play Store. So this is a great application. Once again, it's called TechDoc UK App Killer, TDuck App Killer. It is very, very good. Now let's go to the Google Play Store. I want to look at something really fast, and I'm going to pull them up again, and then I'm going to close out the video. Make sure you go to the Google Play Store and look that up. All right, so in the next video, we're going to look at the cache cleaner. Okay, use this application to quickly clear all your application caches. And sure, so I'm going to go ahead and purchase this. Okay. And I'll do this. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and come back. All right, guys, I'm back. As you can see in my next video, we're going to take a look at TDuck App Cache Cleaner, because you got to have a good cache cleaner and you have to have a task app cleaner or killer. Those two working in conjunction or together really keep your devices running very well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm going to post it on all my platforms, whether that be YouTube and the other ones that are in description. Also, thank you for everyone that wanted to get the free Formula Z11 Pro Max. We will be releasing the winner's name on July 17th. I will put a link where you can join that. Make sure you put your name and follow the instructions on what you need to do. You just have to text a keyword and you are automatically entered into the drawing. And also, don't forget, we have the pre-Black Friday sales coming up. I know it's going on July, but I'd rather everyone know that I honor referrals. And if you know me and you like our company, if you refer one person that purchases a device, we're going to go 1 for 1. So if you have someone purchase one of our devices, we will give you until the end of July a device for free. And that is on us. You can text us, call us at our 800 number. We'll explain the details. This is going to be going on until July, the end of July 2023. With that said, thank you for spending this Saturday. Have a great weekend. We'll see you in the next video.